Under the merciless sun, a lone traveler walks along a desolate road. Suddenly, a band of robbers emerges, their shadows falling ominously over the traveler. The traveler is overpowered, his possessions stripped away in a brutal act of violence. Severely wounded and abandoned, the traveler lies helpless on the roadside, a testament to human cruelty. The harsh wind whispers through the barren landscape, carrying the distant cries of birds, a mournful echo of loss. A lone figure lies wounded on the parched earth, abandoned to the silence of the desolate road. A priest approaches, his face etched with concern, yet societal fears dictate his actions. He makes a deliberate choice to cross to the other side, leaving the wounded man behind. A Levite passes next, his gaze averted, his pace quickening as he continues on his way. Footsteps fade, leaving the injured man once more to the mercy of the unforgiving road. Inside the bustling inn, the Samaritan speaks in hushed tones to the innkeeper, his expression reflecting deep concern. With a determined brow, he carefully counts coins, each piece a promise of future care and commitment. The Samaritan presses the coins into the innkeeper's hand, a silent vow to cover all expenses upon his return. The innkeeper accepts the coins, his expression a mixture of gratitude and understanding. The Samaritan casts one last look back at the inn, his eyes filled with a shared humanity. His expression is a beacon of hope, a silent promise of compassion and unwavering support.